Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shivam Singh. I'm from Amity University, Noida, and today I'm going to give a presentation on the topic 5G revolution transforming the delivery in healthcare. Let us have a quick look at the presentation outline. Topics to discuss are what is 5G, features of 5G technology, problems posed by current healthcare industry, areas in healthcare that 5G will boost, new realms that 5G will enable, impact of 5G on medical access, quality and cost, real world trials, and recommendations to make the healthcare industry better in the future. What is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation technology standard for cellular networks. It is not simply an extension to 3G and 4G. Instead, it is a transformative ecosystem network that integrates 4G, Wi-Fi, millimeter waves, and other wireless access technology. Features that 5G technology offers: extremely low latency. 5G brings latency down to 8 to 12 milliseconds, and in future with further improvements it can bring latency down to 1 milliseconds too. High speed connectivity. 5G speed ranges from 50 megabits to over 2 gigabits at the start. Back-end services. The emerging 5G network enlists back-end data centers, cloud services and remote file servers into computational behemoth. This leads to the computations being performed near source or in the cloud, depending upon the immediate needs. Problems posed by the current healthcare industry. Healthcare information systems. Currently, only our healthcare system trying to transform by connecting various medical devices and automating financial transactions. But due to its complex nature, these transformations are not possible without heterogeneous network. Lack of universal access. Coverage of healthcare services is limited due to the lack of trained healthcare professionals, services and equipments. Available resources are not located in proximity and individuals are unable to afford services due to high cost. Resource constraints. Despite the great success in creating an impressive outlook of healthcare system, the overall healthcare service are still insufficient. There are very less healthcare workers per thousand population. In Africa, these numbers are 2.3 healthcare workers per 1,000 population. The long-term chronic care burden. Chronic diseases are increasing globally and have become the most dominant threat affecting people of all ages, and it will contribute to over 50% of all the diseases by the end of 2020. Challenges for aging population. The share of elderly population is increasing with the increased life expectancy, is changing the cause of death from infectious disease to chronic illnesses. In future, the healthcare system will fail to provide long-term care to older people with multiple chronic illnesses. Areas in healthcare that 5G will boost. Imaging. High-speed transmission of X-rays or CT scans enables patient to quickly obtain second or third opinion. They will not be limited to local specialists, but will be able to access the global network of medical professionals. Diagnostics. With the help of monitoring devices and wearable equipment, the vital signs of the chronically ill patient can be tracked and transmitted to the healthcare provider in the real time, and immediate actions can be taken on the basis of that data. Analytics and treatment. With the development of new machine learning algorithms, high-speed connectivity, and large amount of data being available about symptoms and diseases, the medical reports of a new patient can easily be analyzed and an appropriate treatment can be prescribed, though the role of the doctor will be central in these type of systems also. New realms that 5G will enable: medical Internet of Things. Whether it's super fast connectivity, intelligent management, data capabilities, 5G can create a network of clinical wearables, remote sensors, and many other devices that monitors and electronically transmits medical data. Home healthcare. The advance in 5G will spur a decentralized trend in which healthcare facilities can be delivered locally in homes. Remote surgery. Due to the ultra low latency, the 5G offers the new technique of remote surgery, and we will further be talking about this in the later slide. Impacts of 5G on healthcare. Medical access. 5G is leading the world towards point of care healthcare system. This will lead to universal access of healthcare. Cost effectiveness. Due to the point of care access in homes or within the hometown, the cost of travel will decrease, and due to the mass production of home healthcare equipment in the future, it will soon be commercially viable for individuals. Quality healthcare. Due to real-time healthcare tracking, access to global network of specialists, and remote surgery being available in near future, quality healthcare can be provided to individuals. Real-world trials. In the month of July 2019, a remote surgery was carried out in Beijing. The surgeon was physically sitting in the Hainan province, and he implanted a neurostimulator into the patient with Parkinson's disease at the Chinese PLA General Hospital in Beijing by operating medical equipment through transmitted images that were supported by 5G technologies. And in future, India should also conduct these type of trials after the 5G rolls out in India. The recommendations that can make 5G healthcare better. Infrastructure development. There should be more investment in 5G healthcare infrastructure as per our current needs. Further trials. Further trials will help developing feasible and reliable 5G healthcare. Reimbursement policy. New policy allowing easy reimbursement for telemedicine and home healthcare. Interoperability. Reducing the complexity of interconnected devices and data exchange is vital for 5G. Data privacy. Individuals that are participating in the clinical trials must provide informed consent, and their medical information should be protected. And to end this presentation, I would like to quote some lines of Bill Gates. The advance in technology is based on making it fit in so that you don't really even notice it. So it's a part of everyday life. Thank you.